Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. In the first step, open control panel. So go to search bar, type your control panel. From the search results, click here to open it. And on the window, we need to select view by as category. If you selected large icons or small icons, change it to category. Then click on network and internet. Select network and sharing center. Once we are here, click on your connection, internet connection, select properties. It will open a new window. Select internet protocol version 4, that is IPv4, and open its properties. Once we are here, we need to set this DNS server address. If you selected this one, then change it to use the following DNS server address and simply type your 8.8.8.8. Press tab button to go into the alternate DNS server section. Then type your 8.8.4.4. Once done, click on OK. Close all windows one by one. Now open Google Chrome. Okay. Once we're here, click on the three dots, open settings. Now click on the three lines and go to privacy and security. Now we need to clear the browsing data. Select all time and clear it. You can also delete all the downloads or the unwanted downloads from here. So for example, these things, and just close it. In the final step, you can also reset your internet connection. So simply open settings, click on the three lines and go to network and internet. Scroll down, click on advanced network settings. Again scroll down and select network reset. Click on reset now and select S. So it will shut down in 5 minutes. So before that, we need to restart our system and our problem will be solved for sure and 100%. You can also check out our description link to fix the issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.